shorty making that motherfucker twerk. Damn! Oh, yeah, he tripping out. What the fuck? Big GTR. What a real nigga do this, man.
Oh, this that chill. I see this on TikTok.
Talking about TikTok. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. As you can see by the title, we at this car meet. If you haven't checked, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We running it up all 2023. I'm in that 2023 Hellcat jailbreak, something light, man. Nothing too crazy. We outside right now. We already here. Action, 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 shorty. Little cruise night. Trying to find my homies, man. We here, baby. Trying to get a little stretch. Here go a vet right here. That joint look nasty. They got some it out here. That Mustang look decent. They got real old school cars though out here. I don't even like Mustangs, but that Mustang look decent. Sheesh, probably that color. That's a 5.0 too. I'm thinking that was the big boy Shelby or something. Go police right here, man. Y'all, look, out of all of the old school cars, I'm about to show y'all what old school car that I get. This one right here. Some a little bit cleaner than this, but that's the only old school car that I ever buy and fix up. So that bitch so nasty. Boy. Oh my God. Cause I know Rick Ross got some of these joints, man. Them joints look so crazy. They call like, bro, I can't even tell you what they call, cause I ain't into old cars, but I think that they call like Belvedere or something like that. Ballet or something like that, man. Don't add me. Yeah, this joint juking though. What the fuck? Big GTR. Damn, these joints is everywhere. Turn this music down before I get copyrighted, man. I'm tripping. As y'all can see, we outside. I'm trying to find my boys, and once I find them, that's gonna be the next clip, honestly. Ooh, look at this joint. They got some it out here, shorty. They got some it out here. I wonder what this blue one is right here. That joint look nasty. It just look different, really. Some older cars, y'all, like, I don't even know what them joints be, but some of them be looking nasty. Like, shit like this, I don't be really liking. Y'all probably like cars like this. Well, shit like this, I don't know. They got some shit out up, man. I be trying to line up older cars. Older cars, man, people always talking about some built, not bought. Line that little motherfucker up right now. I'll show you something. Let me show you something. That car look like it's in a Monopoly game. Hold up. That motherfucker look Monopoly is in. Yeah, they got some different shit out here. I could say that. I could say that. What you on, my geyser? Where everybody at? Ain't nobody here yet?
Hell no.
Nope.
I was just here with Chris. Chris build up.
Boosie! What you on, my boy? What you on? What you on, my boy?
Been out here, huh?
Shit, nah, I just got here. His ass been here. We just got to this, man. This just for right now, y'all. This just for right now. Finna meet up with my homies literally right across the street right now. Got my boy with me. Shout yourself out, man. What's your Instagram?
Shit. Billionaire King on IG and SRT King on IG.
Oh, bro, that's my boy, man. His shit in the shop right now, but his ass gonna be right back out. When your shit get out the shop? This week?
Said Wednesday.
Oh, yeah, bro. SRT Jeep, his shit finna be right out the shop. Gonna be back with us. You been still popping out, though. They got them joints out here. That like a hearse, my boy. Oh, bro, that look like a hearse. That color nasty. Looking like a kiwi cheesecake or something. He in it. Nissan owners be tripping. Make sure that y'all like this video, man, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Just give y'all a little scenery.
Sit out the window, just recording shit. I ain't doing that shit again.
Telling my homie, man, invest them like retirement plan cars. Once you retire, get your little check, boy, get you a little vet. You in it.
Fuck that, I'm getting old school, boy. I'm tired.
Oh, bro. Damn, this lot, ain't it? Come on, let me through, boss. My boy. Shit chillin'. Let a real nigga through. Let a real nigga through this, man.
Oh, this that chip. I see this on TikTok.
Talking about TikTok. He funny as hell. He talking about I seen this guy on TikTok. He took it. Where your car at? Oh, damn. Damn. Folks done lied. He said it was parking spots over here. He bapping. We'll look around this corner, though. That's the thing.
That's me outside. That's me outside.
That bitch would be decent if it was painted. Here go an M. My shorty making that motherfucker twerk. Damn! Oh, yeah, he tripping out.
He just, I ain't gonna lie, he just had that bitch working.
He just over scraped the bumper.
Yeah, he don't get off water. Just back on that one wheel. I think I'm look, he's doing it right now.
Yeah, these joints is out here. Me in the street with it, fuck it. He needed something a little bit more classy.
Which one?
He said, F the Hellcat, he brought the Vatty.
Oh, you know what? Rick got his stage.
Woo.
I can't wait till I'm 6 years old.
This joint low key decent. It just need a little light paint job. That's damn near the design though. Oh no. He got trophies in that joint. out of here. Still got these joints on a light day. BMW, that motherfucker pinked out. I feel like I've seen that joint before. Got the Tezzies out. My boy Tan finna give me a little toys. C63S. One of my homies got one of these, but I think his shit like a two-door. Yeah. Factory paint on it?
Yeah, factory paint.
Ooh. I don't want to get all in your shit. Big AMG. Brown seats. Them ain't even peanut butter. That's like brown, ain't it? Type
like
type
brown.
shit. Yeah. Them bitches look good.
Dog in this mug.
Lil daily. Bro, I'm thinking like, what should I get next?
Yeah, buddy,
as a
did
daily?
that shit, bro. He ain't put my fucking bumper on right. Do it in Schomburg. I need ceramic coat of the car.
C63S. This is the big boy. You gotta sell your soul for one of these motherfuckers, man.
You know why? He lost the little clip that's in it. Just one clip, you bring it back to him.
You still got it.
Got a GLE pulling up. That's a GLE, ain't it?
He paint corrected it.
Gotta be.
But when he ceramic coated it, some water dripped in his shop. And he had, and the shit, he had to take the shit off. They got fix that.
Oh, you got the big sunroof in your shit. Damn. Pano.
My open door.
He don't get no fuck nigga. His ass rich, boy. Nah, man. Woo. He got carbon fiber all through it. Let me give y'all one more little look. One more look. What do you say? What is that, like 15% on the windshield or something?
Like a
20. I should have went dark on my windshield. I tweaked.
Dark as hell on my Hellcat.
Decent though, bro, cause I ain't trying to get my ass pulled over and shit, folks. That shit over with. I be trying to be like chill, bro. Yeah, this joint look nasty. That windshield popped this joint off. See, I should have went a little bit dark on the windshield. Yeah, but you still could like barely see in that joint, but I should have went a little bit darker. That 35 would have been perfect.
Yeah, 35, that motherfucker was like nasty.
Yeah.
I'm finna wrap my roof on my shit. Not tinted. And then I'll powder coat my wheels because I was black.
I still haven't seen that. That front plate pisses me off.
Oh, bro. Just seen my boy in traffic, had to pull up on him. It's another AMG C63S. Y'all just seen the C63S, the photo one. This the two-door one that I was just talking about. Literally, I was just talking about this motherfucker. Bro, I was just talking about your ass too, bro. Yeah, he came not to play. Bro.
I said you gonna do your shit?
Cause my homie got a hell nah, that ain't how I'm gonna do my shit. Alright, y'all, so we just go end off this video right here. This was just to show y'all the little commie that was today. This was a real quick video. Usually I don't do quick videos like this. Usually we be driving around, cutting up, tweaking. But today was just something light. Finna get up out of here. I just got me some little baggers. Let me show y'all this little small piece, even though y'all don't even get no, Ooh. Little small pepperoni pizza. Looking good. I know y'all want some. But yeah, y'all, we out of here. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Please hit that like button so my video could get out there, man. I don't need no money, I don't need no cash, I have nothing at all, man. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And it's been your boy Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.